Let's address the elephant in the room quickly. Many of the lessons that God teaches us are not nice. They are hard. They take real endurance to get through. Don't be ashamed. I know you're thinking it. I'm thinking it, and God knows that we're thinking it. But the Bible never tells us that we need to be joyful because we are suffering, if that is the way that God teaches us a lesson. But it does say that we need to find joy in the benefits of that trial. That we need to find joy in the benefits because it produces endurance. So it's not to say, the Bible doesn't say you celebrate when you're going through a trial or you're going through suffering. But it does say to find joy in the benefit. God doesn't allow suffering in your life to punish you. He allows suffering in your life because He knows that you won't grow spiritually anywhere else or any other way. But what God does promise, because He doesn't promise us a life without suffering, but what He does promise is that it will work for the good for those who believe in Him and for those who trust Him and for those who love Him. So, take my hand. Let's grow spiritually together.